Okay, so down here at the Grange Beach in Adelaide right now, I'm going to show you the GoPro Handler. The Handler is a great accessory from GoPro, and one of the reasons I love it is because I like to film things in and around the water.
The Handler comes with a wrist strap and GoPro's famous quick release base, so you can quickly and easily switch between mounts. It's ideal for swimming, surfing, kayaking, or any other water activity.
And one of the best things about the Handler is that this accessory, it floats in the water. And if I happen to drop it in the ocean like so, you can see how it's floating in the water and it's upside down. Well, that's okay, because the bright orange end piece is showing you exactly where your camera is, which is awesome. It means that you're never going to lose your GoPro if you happen to drop it into the water.
The GoPro Handler is just one of the hundreds of different mounts that are available for your GoPro Hero or action camera. To learn more about GoPros and the different mounts and accessories available, you want to click on this video over here right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.